everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, today's recipe is a chicken rice bowl recipe, and it has two parts. So I'm going to be showing you how to make the rice as well as how to make the chicken, and the two of them together are just a marriage made in heaven. They complement each other so very well. This is an ideal lunch or dinner recipe, and it's easy, quick and delicious. So I hope you like today's recipe, and do watch the video right up to the end because I have the hint of the day or the tip of the day, so don't forget to watch it. So let's get started with the recipe then. We're going to start by making a coarse paste of green chilies, ginger and garlic. Now here I also have 4 cups of water boiling, and I've washed exactly half, that is 2 cups of rice. Here is 1 medium-sized onion chopped. This is a little bit of turmeric powder or haldi powder. This is the coarse paste that we've just ground. These are a few of whole spices and 1 soup cube, also known as a maggi cube. And we have some salt to taste too. So now what I'm going to do is, in a pan, I've just put about a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to first fry this coarsely ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Then I'm going to add the onion, and I'm going to fry the two of them till they are nice and all the rawness has gone away. Then I'm going to be adding all the whole spices. Now we are going to add some turmeric or haldi powder and the soup cube or the stock cube or the maggi cube. Now I'm going to drain off the excess water from the soaked rice, and I'm going to add the raw rice. I'm going to give it a good mix. And then we're going to add the boiling water, which is double the quantity of the rice. This will just speeden up the process of cooking the rice. Then we're going to give all of this a good mix. And we're going to wait for this water to start boiling on a high flame. This doesn't take much time for the water to boil because it's already hot boiling water. So it starts to boil almost instantaneously. Now you can just taste the water for, to see whether you need to add salt, because we have added the stock cube, and the stock cube always has salt in it. So first taste a little bit, and if you feel that you need to add some water, then you can go ahead and add the water. And then we're just going to cover and cook this, keeping an eye on it from time to time, and it takes about between 7 to 10 minutes. And after some time, you'll find that your rice, all the water has dried up and the rice is nice and ready. So you can just take a spoon and just mix up everything. And then you find this rice is all nice and fluffy and light and just rightly cooked. Now here I've taken some boneless chicken breast, and I've cut it up into smaller cubes. I'm going to just put some buttermilk, soak all of it in some nice homemade buttermilk. I have a recipe for the same. I'll leave a link in the description box below as to how to prepare homemade buttermilk. Give all of this a very nice mix. Now we're going to add some garlic powder. Now if you don't have garlic powder, you can just add some garlic paste. This is just regular red chili powder. This is some smoked paprika, which is now easily available. If you don't have smoked paprika, you can just add some Kashmiri red chili powder, some pepper powder and some salt. Now give all of this a good mix, and we're just going to let it sit aside for about 10 minutes. So everything gets nicely soaked in and the chicken gets nice and marinated. Now I'm going to prepare a small paste with some all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt and red chili powder, and I'm going to dip this marinated chicken into it and keep it aside. Then I have some crushed up cornflakes, and I have a beaten egg. I try to use unflavored cornflakes because you do get the sweetened ones. So just try to use the regular cornflakes. Just crush them up with your hand and then just dip these floured chicken pieces into the egg and then into the corn flour, and again keep them aside. Now you can also start heating up your oil for deep frying. on a low to medium flame and keep some kitchen napkins ready to drain the excess oil off. And then you're just going to deep fry these chicken nuggets or chicken balls till they're nice and golden brown. And once they're all done, you're just going to drain the excess oil on some kitchen towel or kitchen napkins. So now you have your rice ready and you have your chicken ready. Now all you got to do is just take a bowl and just put your rice in it. And then just put the lovely chicken on the top. And there you have it. Your chicken rice bowl is all ready. And it's simply delicious and divine. It tastes amazing. So stick around. I have the tip of the day or the hint of the day. So keep watching. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss out anything on Akshata's recipes. Well friends, thanks for watching the video till the end. Well, I have decided that, wherever I can, at the end of my videos, I'm going to be giving you all some health tips or some tips that I have started using in my life and, which is really good, and I would like to share them with you. Now, one such tip is that, I have started having this lemon water on a regular basis. It's been about a week or so, and I've really seen the difference. Now what I do is when I get up in the morning, after I brush my teeth, I just fill up this mason jar. I have 2 of them, or you can even wash and use the same one. I fill it up with ice cold water from the refrigerator or cold water from the refrigerator, and then I just take an entire lemon, I cut it up into thin wedges, and I just drop them into my mason jar. And then I just keep sipping on it, and as the water gets over, I refill it, and I try to hydrate myself as much as I can, throughout the day. And the taste of this lemon water is so refreshing, and you feel really so rejuvenated. Now for those of you who don't like the taste of lemon, like one day I was running out of lemons, so I had my green tea bags. I just put 1 green tea bag and I just poured ice cold water on it, and I drank it, and it really made me feel really refreshing. So this is one thing I've been doing. So if you want to start it, you can. And of course, if you don't like cold water, you can have warm water. It works both ways. Now another thing I want to share with you is nowadays you get this you get steel straws, and you get a pack of 2. I'll just show them to you. So you get one which is a straight one like this, which I'm using right now, and the other one is you get a straw which is bent like this, and you also get a cleaner. So every day you can just put a little bit of detergent soap in it, or liquid soap, and just rub it in and clean it. But since now of course plastic is banned, so you don't get plastic straws, which is a very good thing. And the paper straws, I've tried using paper straws, but I find that if you keep your paper straw in your water or in your drink for a long time, it starts getting all soggy, and you can't even sip through it. So this is such a good alternative. For one thing is we are not throwing away any straws, there's no garbage. It's just a nice clean steel straw, and the beauty of it is you have a cleaner specially made for it. So you get this in most of the stores now, and you definitely get it online too. And if you don't have a mason jar, it's fine. You can have it in a normal, regular glass. But this is one really good way of, hydrating yourself, because now it is getting a little bit hot here, at least in Mumbai city. So, or even if it's not hot, just to keep yourself hydrated, have this lemon water. You can, now here I've just cut up the lemon. I was a little bit lazy, so I just cut the lemon into 2 and I just put it inside. You don't have to squeeze the lemon. Even if you're cutting thin wedges, just drop the wedges in, or just keep a tea bag in it, a green tea bag, and you're good to go. So I have quite a bit of this the whole day. The minute it gets empty, I go and I put chilled water in it, and I just wait for about 2-3 minutes till the lemon flavor is infused, and then it is just awesome. So this is the tip of the day, and whenever I get new ideas or new tips or something I want to share with you, which I've started doing in my life, I will share it with you at the end of the videos. So I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Bye.